Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to transform your space with a touch of magical? Let's dive into the world of the magical ocean wave lamp. This stunning USB dynamic water pattern light create a memorizing 3D water effect that can instantly elevate your room. Whether you are looking to spice up your bedroom, create a calming atmosphere in your living room, and or even find the perfect gift, this lamp check all the boxes. Price it just 399 rupees. It's an affordable way to bring a unique ambience to your home decor, and the cube shape add the modern twist, fitting seamlessly into any aesthetics. And let's about talk about the color. With multiple lights options, you can set the mood or for any occasion, romantic dinners, cozy movie nights, or even just relaxing after a long day. Imagine the soothing wave of light dancing across your wall and ceiling, creating an ocean like experience right in your own home. It's perfect for relaxing meditations or simply enjoying a moment of tranquility. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just plug it by a USB and watch as it bring your space of life. The dynamic pattern are not only beautiful but also captivating for both adult and kids alike. And so, if you are on the hunt for a stylish and functional piece of decor that doubles as an eye-catching conversations starter, and look no further than the magical ocean wave lamp at 399 rupees. It's a small investment for a big impact. Don't miss out on these enhancing additions to your home graveyard today, and let's the wave of color wash over you. So guys, if you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box, you can check it out. And I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you. And it's incredible to see our community growing, and it motivated me to keep creating content that inspire, entertain, and inform. Whether you have been here from the start or just join us recently, your engagement, like, comment, and share makes a huge difference. It's helped me understand what resonate with you and how can I improve. I strive to bring value in every video, and your feedback is essential in guiding that journey. So please keep those comments coming. Love and hearing your thoughts, suggestions, and even your stories. They fuel my patience for creating. Remember, this space is all about connection. I want to build a community where we can learn from each other and grow together. So, if there's anything specific you would like to see or discuss, don't hesitate to reach out. And thank you once again for being part of this amazing journey. Your support not only keeps me motivated but also inspire me to push my creating boundaries. And let's keep this moment going. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content, guys. And until next time, take care and keep it shining. Thank you for watching my video.